Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. If you're looking for a clean Ford Edge, this might be it. This is the 2019, the Ford Edge. Stock number is 7453. Let's give you that virtual video walk-around, show you the exterior and the interior condition of this like brand new Ford Edge. As you can see, automatic rear door for easy access to place groceries, maybe luggage. If you're traveling, no virtual video walk around would be complete without showing you the interior, exterior, all facets of this super clean Edge. No dings, no scrapes, no tears. And you can see all the ample legroom in the rear for friends and family that may be driving with you. Super clean. This vehicle has just over 12,000 miles. Does qualify for oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length for safe and ease of use driving. For more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.